as a child on the other side of them tracks. 50 yards away from my bedroom window, that train would pass in the night, and I grew used to the sound while I sleep. I grew up in this town since I was a child. Never felt like I belonged. Everyone I've known, everyone I ran with, I'm the last of them all. I cheated death so many times, always lucked out at the last moment. Went with my gut, never went on a run. I was the only one that survived. And I grew up here with that train passing in the night. All these years later that I survived, that train whistle through the night, it's the same one I've come to know. Not much around here changes, that's for sure. Come to life, and the memories flooded like that was that night. I can't help but think what my head revealed. Little things will trigger it, and then the truth is surely spilled. Since I was a child, small town Wyoming, nothing around for miles. No one's ever heard of us or what we do. We're forgotten out here, we're forgotten out here. Through the night, we're so small around here, it don't even slow down, that's right. Old train whistle, same as before. Old train whistle, it never gets old. Circle small, it barely exists. I'm the last remaining member of all of it. A survivor all my life, with my gut feeling when it wasn't right. Oh, and the train whistle runs through the night. It's the same one I've known all my life. as a child. Hear the train whistle in the night time. Always wonder where it's going. Could I tag along? Just to get me out of this place that was my home. Oh, train whistle. Oh, train whistle. And the train whistle runs on by. I'ma tell them now I'm halfway north of my life. And the train whistle keeps running by. Oh, yeah, that train whistle is my life.